These are soybeans here. People have planted soybeans. You can see these ones here. There's no beans on them now, but you can also you can eat the leaves. You can eat the leaves of the beans. You fry them just like spinach. They're absolutely delicious. Okay, these are a little bit destroyed there, but you can eat them, as in you can eat these leaves. You fry them with tomato, then you can add tomato, onion, and then you can add whatever vegetables you like. But these are also widely grown, just like cassava and maize. They're widely grown here in the villages. But these they're absolutely delicious if you fry it with with some vegetables. Then you can eat it with anything, just like as you can eat spinach with anything. You can eat the leaves of the beans. Majani ya maragwe is what they're called. Maragwe. So you can eat these. There's no beans on them now, but they will come later. Absolutely delicious.